guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is OGOM'S a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. So today I want to show you how to make perfect, okay, which you'll be seeing on the screen. So if you want to know more about how to make perfect, is it perfect that be perfect, whichever one, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. So these are the things you need for making your perfect. I have yogurt here. I actually have two different types of yogurt. This is strawberry flavor and this is normal yogurt. And we have granola here. This is homemade granola. I made it myself, and the video is actually on my channel. So I have apple here, I have grapes, I have banana, I have coconut, and this is the cup that I'll be using to put it. Okay, so remember, you can use any fruit of choice. Okay, any fruit of choice. You can use strawberry, you can use kiwi, you can use mango, you can use any fruit that you want to top yours with. You can make use of that. And then almond nuts, cashew nuts, granules. I've seen so many types. But this is what I'll be using to do mine. So we'll be getting right into the process immediately. So guys, we'll be going in with our yogurt. So actually, my yogurt is about to finish. This one is about to finish. So that's why I'm using this. So I'll actually be pouring different flavors of yogurt. Okay. So I'll be going in with this, and then I'll be going in with this one. Yes, so I'll be doing same for this cup. So, and I'll be going in with this one. Yes, so after that we'll go in with the fruits, or let's go in with the granola. Excuse me. Yes, so I wanted a spoon. So we'll be going in with our granola. Yes. Don't worry about the mess. I'll get to clean it up later. So add your granola. I'm actually adding it by the side of the cup so that it's going to yes. So after that, I will go in with the shredded coconuts. So I also have a video of this on my channel. So we'll be adding our coconuts. So after that, I will go in with the apple, yes, and banana. I'll just add to have a little bit of banana. I'll be adding it around the cup. So it's also another kind of a fizzy. Add it around the cup. 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 And add it, yes. So I'll be doing this, please. I have to bring out some of the coconuts, which was actually a mistake from my parts. So I just want the banana to go around. So sorry about that. So remember to always have a clean hands. My hands were already washed. Yes. So there you have it. The banana is in, the grapes in too, just a little. So I'll be adding the grapes in too here. Grapes. And then, what did I add here? A little bit of apple here. Apple. So after that, I just want to add a little bit of granola before I pour the yogurt. Another layer of yogurt. You can do any layer of choice. So I'll be going in with our yogurt right now. Yes. So there you have it. So I think these basically toppings right now. Oh yeah. So So I'll be adding our coconut by the side. Coconut goes in. Coconut goes in. Then our granola by the side. Then I'll be adding the grapes, the apple, whatever toppings that you need. So here is our apple. Apple. Apple, banana, grapes. I'll be going in with the grapes now. So grapes too again. Grapes. Just add any topping of choice. Any topping of choice. Any topping of choice. I think this is okay because you need to also watch the calories too. Yeah. So this is basically it. Just top up, top up, top up, top up, top up. Ajara tinyeru hajara. So yes, granola. Yeah, I think there you have it. Yes. So hold on. Hey guys, so here is our perfect. So here is our perfect. So here is it. You can see. So here is the toppings. All right. So here is the toppings. So remember, you can add any toppings of choice: cashew nuts, granules, almond nuts, anything that you feel like to add, you can add it right here. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, share out my videos if you like any, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.